students. So today we will study about the various factors that affect demand of a commodity. This is a very important topic from examination point of view, and there are various subtopics under this topic which are also important. So you should listen to this topic very carefully. Now there are numerous factors which affect demand of a commodity, but we will consider over here only those factors which are specified in the syllabus. First and foremost, the factor that affects the demand is the price of the commodity. This is the foremost factor affecting the demand for a good. Generally speaking, we observe that there is an inverse relationship between price of a good and its demand. By inverse relationship, we mean that when price increases, quantity demanded falls, and vice versa. Meaning that when price decreases, quantity demanded increases. So this you have to keep in mind, because this is a very important general rule which affects the demand of a commodity. Now let us understand it with the help of a schedule. When price of a commodity is 1000, quantity demanded is 20. When price falls to 500, quantity demanded increases to 50 units. And when price increases to 1500, quantity demanded falls to 10 units. Okay? So you should keep this in mind, that there is an inverse relationship between price of a good and its quantity demanded. The more the price, the less will be the quantity demanded. The less the price, the more will be the quantity demanded. Another thing which is to be kept in mind is that economics is a social science, and as such it is subject to exceptions. All the rules in economics are not absolute rules, but they are relative rules. So it is not always the case that if price increases, quantity will fall, and if price falls, quantity demanded will increase. This will not happen in all the cases. This will happen in general conditions. Now you must have heard in the lockdown that the government has increased the price of liquor. But in spite of that increase, the demand is still very high. So over here the law of demand is not applying. So you should keep in mind that the law of demand, all the factors which affect demand are subject to exceptions. Okay. Now we will come to the second factor which affects the demand of a good, and that is price of related goods. This is another important factor which affects demand of a commodity. Now related goods are of two types. One is supplementary goods and the other is the complementary goods. Supplementary goods are also known as substitute goods. So these are two types of related goods. Related goods का मतलब ये होता है कि ये दो goods होते हैं, इन दोनों goods का आपस में किसी ना किसी तरह का relation है. Okay, now first of all we will study about the substitute goods or supplementary goods. So over here we will understand it with taking the example of tea or coffee. Now tea and coffee are substitute goods. You can consume one in place of the other. या तो आप चाय पियोगे या आप कॉफ़ी पियोगे. तो tea and coffee is the most common example of substitute goods. Other examples will be ball pen and gel pen, toothpaste, tooth powder. So all these are substitute goods. Okay. Now in substitute goods what we observe is that when price of one good falls, the demand for the other good also falls, implying that there is a direct relationship between price of one good and demand for the other good. Okay, so now if price of tea falls, then demand for coffee will also fall. Okay, so now why does this happen? Why does, when price of tea falls, then why does the demand for coffee falls? So to understand it, when price for tea falls, people start substituting coffee for tea. मतलब इसका ये मतलब है कि जब टी की प्राइस कम होगी तो the people will reduce the consumption of coffee. They will stop drinking coffee, and in place of coffee they will start drinking tea. So what will happen कि टी की डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी और कॉफी की डिमांड कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है. This is very important from examination also. So they can ask that there are two goods X and Y. When price of X falls, demand for Y also falls. So how are these two goods related? So you will have to specify that these two goods are substitute goods. Okay. So I hope that this topic is clear to you. Supplementary or substitute goods are those goods which can be consumed one in place of another. There is a direct relationship between price of one good and quantity of and demand for the other good. Direct relationship. एक बढ़ेगी तो दूसरी भी बढ़ जाएगी, एक कम होगी तो दूसरी भी कम हो जाएगी. Okay? Now we will come to complementary goods. Now complementary goods are those goods which are consumed in bundles, and the most common example of complementary goods is car and petrol. अगर आपके पास कार है तो आपको उसमें पेट्रोल भरवाना ही पड़ेगा. सो कार एंड पेट्रोल आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड्स. ठीक है. अगेन इसका एग्जांपल हो सकता है बॉल पेन और उसकी रिफिल. कि अगर आपके पास बॉल पेन है तो आपको उसमें रिफिल भरवानी ही पड़ेगी. अनदर एग्जांपल कैन बी bread and butter or bread and jam. All these are examples of complementary goods. Okay. So what happens in case of complementary goods? So in case of complementary goods, what do we observe is that when price of one good falls, the demand for the other good increases. तो एक कम हो रहा है, दूसरा बढ़ रहा है, implying that there is an inverse relationship between price of a good and demand for the other good. Okay. So now again we will try to understand why this happens. So taking our classic example of car and petrol, what will happen when price of petrol falls? So when price of petrol falls, driving cars will become cheap. So people will start purchasing more cars. So demand for cars will increase. Okay. So hope that these two factors that we have studied today, that is price of the good and price of related goods, these two topics would be clear to you, and in between the both of them, the price of related goods is a very important topic, and all the conditions are very important. They can ask MCQs, they can ask long answer, short answer. So we will continue with the other factors which affect demand in our next video. So today I want you to go through this video once more to clear your concepts regarding substitute and complementary goods and how the price of one good affects the demand for the other good. So have a nice time and goodbye.